Some people had asked about the NoSQL databases, and I'm going to demo one now. This is a graph database. It's an open source one. It's called neo4j. And this is a demo of a movie database. As you can see, I'm starting it up here, and this is the information that's in the movies. As you can see, we have people that are in green, and we have movies that are in red. And you can see the information, the links between the people in the movies are they could be acted in, they can be directed by, and you can see Tom Hanks directed and acted in the thing that you did. And if we double click on Cloud Atlas, you'll see there's a whole bunch of more information there, not just acted in the information that you can see here. There's a whole bunch more. And if we do a League of Their Own, same thing, there's more information in there, and you can pull it out and see we have acted in, and of course Tom Hanks, you can see here he both, again, directed and acted in a thing that you do. You see there's more people there. Now this looks really cool, and it's got the things bubbling around, but it's not really that useful. But there's a query language just like SQL. So if we look up here, you can see match Tom, name Tom Hanks, return Tom. We get this is the Tom Hanks ID. And of course, if we double click on Tom Hanks, we get all the movies and the information that he is connected to, the movies that he's connected to, which are both acted in and some that are directed in. And if we can see, we can find people. This will give us 10 different people. The first 10 it pulls up from the database, and we could get all the different people in there if we wanted to. And we can also just get the information on movies from the 90s. And if we click that, here comes the list of movies, again, just in this database that came from the 90s there. We can also start doing some other stuff, like these are all the Tom Hanks movies. You can see person, Tom Hanks, acted in, and then the movies, and the results are, wait for it, here's Tom Hanks with all the movies that he starred in. Let's close some of these down, make our life a little bit easier. And we can say who starred in movies with Tom Hanks. So you can see acted in, co-actors, and here's the list of people who have starred in movies with Tom Hanks. We can also start getting a little bit more interesting, and we can say something like, who are the people who have that know the people who have worked with Tom Hanks. So these are the list of people who have not acted with Tom Hanks, but know a lot of people who have acted with Tom Hanks. So this would be Tom Cruise would be a good person who knows a lot of people who worked with Tom Hanks. Hopefully that would be someone that may want to work with Tom Hanks. Similarly, these are people who are related to Tom Hanks in different ways, and you can actually see how they're related now. So like Meg Ryan acted in Top Gun, and she worked with Tom Cruise in Top Gun, and so Meg Ryan had worked with Tom Hanks. So you can see that Tom Cruise and Tom Hanks aren't directly related, but you can see how they're related through Meg Ryan. You can see Meg Ryan, he's worked a lot with Meg Ryan, look at that. And that is basically a network database. Hopefully you can have some idea of seeing how this is different than the relational model, and it in its own way is useful. And this is one of the database types that's a NoSQL database, which we will be using more of in the future. Hope this helped.